Today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself because good beginnings matters and a strong introduction creates a lasting first impression. How to write introduction, we will learn it by following 6 simple steps. And the first is greetings, which is optional, means you can skip it. Then comes name. You can introduce yourself like my name is Aisha, I am Aisha, or this is Aisha. Then comes your background, from where you are and what you do. Are you a student or you are professional? If you are applying for a job, you have to talk here about your past experiences and jobs. Then comes interests, in which you can talk about your hobbies, and mostly you are asked here question about your strengths and weaknesses. They can also ask about your strength and weaknesses. If you want to mention here, you can mention in the interest sections about your hobbies, strength and weaknesses. Then comes goal. If you are studying a specific subject, so why you are studying, what's your purpose? If you're applying for the job, what's your purpose and how do you see yourself in the future? You can talk about in the goal section. Okay, then comes the closing ending part. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, or I look forward to learning and growing with you. If you're writing an email, you can write warm regards at the end, or sincerely at comma here. So this is how you can end your introduction. So today we have learned how to write introduction by following 6 simple steps. The first is greeting, which is optional. You can skip it. Then comes name, background, and interest, in which you have to talk about your hobbies, strength and weaknesses, and goal comes here. Then you have to end your introduction, ending line. Okay, now you have to write your introduction in the comments by following these 6 steps and follow learning chunks for more easy English learning tips. Thank you for watching.